What's up, gearheads? Welcome back to Off-Road and On-Track Racing, where we dive into Mustangs, Jeeps, and all things drag racing. Today we've got some mind-blowing news from Roush Performance that you won't want to miss. Roush has just dropped a new supercharger that takes a 7th generation Mustang's 5.0 liter V8 to a whopping 810 horsepower. That's a nearly 70% increase from the stock output. Whether you're driving a GT or the Dark Horse, this upgrade is designed to fit both automatic and manual transmissions. Just for some context, the Mustang GT delivers 480 horsepower as standard and 486 horsepower with an active exhaust system. The Dark Horse comes with 500 horsepower from the factory. But with Roush's Phase 2 supercharger, you're boosting that up to 810 horsepower. And the entire kit only costs a little under $10,000. At launch, Roush is offering a special launch edition of this supercharger kit, which features the Phase 2 tuning and even includes company founder Jack Roush's signature on the supercharger housing. Details on the Phase 1 tuning hasn't been released yet, but stay tuned. So what makes this supercharger kit so special? Well, Roush uses a Magnuson's root-style supercharger, specifically an inverted Eaton TVS R2650 with a front inlet. This kit includes dual intercoolers, a Bosch PCE intercooler pump, twin cone fuel injectors with optimized director plates, and an 85mm pulley. This setup delivers peak boost pressures of 13 psi at 7,500 RPM. And here's a cool fact. Ford also offers an 810 horsepower supercharger upgrade for the 5.0 liter V8 at the same price. While Ford uses the Whipple twin screw supercharger, Roush sticks with their proven Magnuson root style. Plus, some dealerships are offering turnkey Mustang GTs with this upgrade for under $50,000. That's insane. Unfortunately, if you're in California or any state that requires an EO number, you're not able to purchase Roush's supercharger because it can't be sold or installed on any car in those states. So unfortunately, this upgrade is not for you. The Phase 2 tuning comes with a limited parts warranty, and the Phase 1 tuning includes a full powertrain warranty when installed by a Ford dealer or an ASE certified technician. So you're covered either way. So what do you think? Is the Roush supercharger upgrade worth it for your Mustang? Are you going to put it on your list? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates on Mustangs, Jeep, and some epic drag racing content. Until next time, keep those engines roaring.